Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Statistics problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by identifying the study type and the specific design structure used. First, note that researchers actively manipulate the light settings. Since they assign treatments to volunteers, this is definitely an experiment, not an observational study. We can immediately rule out option E. Next, look at the structure. Each volunteer acts as their own control by experiencing both light settings on different nights. This pairing of observations within each subject defines the design. Because each volunteer is matched with themselves across 2 treatments, this is a classic matched pairs design. It is not a block design because the pairing is within subject, not between group. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the trap of skipping blocking and always verify your pairing to ensure correct assignment.